dollar right there.
Yeah.
You just unscrew this, and you turn the. See, you turn it.
Mm-hmm.
See, and then you get new deal there. A lot of people, they use just this. Can't remember what this deal is called.
The razor?
Yeah, the file. A round file, they call it.
You don't cut your hand when you put your hand like that on the file?
With this,
Yeah.
you have to be careful. Because if you sleep like that, you're going to cut your hand. Or there, see if it slips right there. When I'm moving it, I can cut myself with these.
So you have a towel? Safety first?
No, see, but here, these I don't have a towel here.
You want me to get you one?
No. See, because you cannot use one this here because this thing will get caught in it.
Oh, that's not good. So if you have a bigger blade to sharpen, you can adjust the size of that. That way it fits.
No, this will fit all of them. But a fewer one, you need a bigger one. It depends how big from here to here is. Yeah, I already got these. You can tell it. Now, do you know where we started off?
No. We started on this part, I know that.